I feel like each SEMA we say this, but we're taking it up with Extang again this year. Steve Kelly, Vice President of Sales of Extang, Katie Osborne here. Bring us up to speed of like what this is all about.
What this is all about. So Katie, this is the new Endure ALX. We're debuting it today here at the SEMA show. And this will be our third ALX product, which is an auto latching product, but it also features that secure rotary release, which is an easy way to get in with one hand. You don't have to set your other articles down. You don't have to pull down with a cable with one, and all this cool fun stuff. But here's the cool thing, what we're gonna introduce on this cover is it's got our Solid Fold 2.0 top skin. We call it Endura Shield. It's dent, scratch, and fade resistant and cool to touch on a hot day. So there's no metal there. It's just a different way to put a finish on the cover.
And how can that really amplify a consumer's life at that point?
Well, I mean, it's going to look new longer, obviously, because it's not scratched, dented, or faded if you use it really tough and rough.
Which we should, right?
Which we should. You can still use it. I mean, it'll hold 500 pounds spread out. I mean, you want to sit up there, or you park it in a snow area and it dumps, heavy wet snow on it, no sweat. So I just think it's like taking it up to the next level. It's like the whole new truck again. So.
And as it relates to Extang, why is this such an important cover for you guys as you're launching it?
So, so this cover kind of brings some themes in for Extang, right? Okay. The top skin that's been on Solid Fold for a long time. It's a trusted skin that we've been selling for a long time. But now the third product is ALX. This is an exclusive feature to Extang. 3 products that no one else has anything like that. So.
Well, if you'd like more information on the Endure ALX, you check out extang.com.